our city when the watchman is at his post. I was given a very important theme to share with us.
Il m'a été donné un thème très important de partager avec nous.
It is like you take the fish and you put inside water.
C'est comme si tu avais pris le poisson et que tu l'as lancé dans de
So
l'eau.
I feel like I'm in the water.
Alors j'ai ressenti comme si j'étais dans l'eau.
Anytime I hear the word prayer
Chaque fois que j'entends la parole prier,
or I hear the word
ou
altars
j'entends le mot autel,
or I hear the word
ou
nations
j'entends le mot nation,
or I hear the word transformation or
ou
development,
j'entends le mot transformation ou développement,
something touches my body.
quelque chose touche mon corps.
Something touches my body.
Quelque chose touche mon corps.
Brothers and sisters,
Frères et sœurs,
I will be sharing
je serai en train de partager
on the subject
sur le thème
watchmen
les sentinelles
at the gates of
aux
families,
portes des familles,
cities and nations.
les villes et les nations.
Or if you like,
Ou alors, si vous voulez,
securing the destiny of families,
sécuriser les destinées des familles,
securing the destiny of cities,
sécuriser les destinées des villes,
or securing the destinies of nations.
sécuriser les destinées des nations.
So we'll be looking at the ministry of the watchman.
Alors, on va voir le ministère de la sentinelle.
How prayer
Comment la prière
can influence the changes and the development in a nation.
pour influencer les changements et les transformations dans les nations.
I want to tell you what I was doing.
Je vais vous dire ce que je suis en train de faire.
I see many people who translate,
Je vois plusieurs personnes qui traduisent,
very few interpret.
très peu interprètent.
What's the difference between an interpreter and a translator?
Quelle est la différence entre un traducteur et un interprète?
A translator
Un traducteur
wants to say what he is hearing,
veut dire ce qu'il entend.
and that's the worst type of people.
Et ça, c'est la plus pire des personnes.
I began by translating when I was in those days. I was translating.
J'ai commencé par traduire. Avant, je traduisais.
Then I understood that there is a ministry of
Et
interpreters.
j'ai compris qu'il y avait un ministère appelé le ministère de
To
l'interprète.
interpret is a ministry.
Interpréter, c'est un
It's
ministère.
actually a call
C'est un appel même.
that you are able to pick information in the mind of the person speaking,
Que tu sois capable de tirer les informations dans la personne qui est en train de parler.
and you are able to say his mind
Et tu es capable de parler, de dire sa pensée.
even before he says it.
Avant même qu'il ne parle.
Watchmen,
Sentinelles,
watchmen
les sentinelles
at the gates of
aux
families,
portes des familles,
at the gates of
aux
cities,
portes des villes,
and at the gates of
aux
nations.
portes des nations.
Every city has a gate.
Chaque ville a une porte,
Every family has a gate.
chaque famille a une porte,
And every nation has a
et
gate.
chaque nation a une porte.
And he that stands at the gate
C'est celui qui se tient à la porte
determines the destiny.
détermine la destinée.
Let's lay biblical foundations.
Bâtissons une fondation biblique.
Ezekiel chapter 32,
Ézéchiel 33,
and we are reading from verse 1.
à partir du verset 1.
Ezekiel 33,
Ézéchiel 33,
and we are reading from verse 1.
verset 1.
And the word of the Lord came unto me, saying, Son of man, speak to the children of thy people, and say unto them, When I bring the sword upon a land, if the people of the land take a man of their coast, and set him for their watchman, if when he sees the sword come upon the land, he blow the trumpet and warn the people. Verse 4. Then whosoever heareth the sound of the trumpet blown by the watchman, don't forget, and taketh not warning, if the sword come and take him away, his blood shall be upon his head. He heard the sound of the trumpet and took not warning, his blood shall be upon his head. But he that taketh warning shall deliver his soul. Verse 6. But if the watchman see the sword come and blow not the trumpet, my God, if the watchman see the sword coming and blows not the trumpet, and the people be not warned, if the sword finally comes and takes any person from among them, he is taken away in his iniquity, but his blood will I require at the watchman's hand. And I read the last verse. So thou, O son of man, I have set thee a watchman over the house of Israel. Therefore, thou shalt hear the word at my mouth and warn them for me. They say if the watchman watchman sees the sword coming,
On dit que si la sentinelle voit l'épée venir,
sees the danger coming,
voit le danger venir
and does not warn the people,
et n'avertit pas le peuple,
if anything happens to those people,
si quelque chose se passe avec ce peuple,
he will account for it.
il va rendre compte de cela.
The church is the watchman
L'église, c'est la sentinelle
over a nation.
sur une nation.
And there are many people here right now,
Et il y a plusieurs personnes ici maintenant.
and those watching us online,
Et ceux qui nous regardent en ligne,
at the sound of my voice.
au son de ma voix,
Many of us are watchmen over our families.
plusieurs d'entre nous sommes des sentinelles sur nos familles.
So certain things ought not to happen in our families when we are there.
Alors certaines choses n'étaient pas supposées se passer dans nos familles quand nous sommes là.
So certain things ought not to enter our city when the watchman is at his post doing his work.
Certaines choses n'étaient pas supposées entrer dans notre ville lorsque la sentinelle est à son poste.
Certain things ought not to enter a nation when the watchman is playing his role.
Certaines choses n'étaient pas supposées entrer dans la nation lorsque la sentinelle joue son rôle.
But there is also a probability that the watchman is asleep.
Mais il y a aussi une probabilité que la sentinelle est endormie.
In fact, Jesus said, while men slept.
Jésus a même dit que pendant que les hommes dormaient,
But if you read that scripture,
mais si tu lis ce verset,
it was night.
c'était la nuit.
He said the night cometh.
La nuit vient,
And then while men slept,
et pendant que les hommes dormaient,
their enemy came.
leurs ennemis sont
It
venus.
is normal for man to sleep in the night,
C'est normal pour qu'un homme dorme la nuit,
but watchmen don't sleep.
mais la sentinelle ne dort pas.